Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about indices. This is the laws of indices which we have already discussed in our previous class. So let me start directly with my first problem is 5 raised to the power 10 plus n into 25 raised to the power 3n minus 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 7n. First, we need to convert a 25 in terms of 5. So we'll make a same base. So 5 raised to the power 10 plus n will write as it is into 25 can be written as 5 square, its power 3n minus 4. So 5 square into 3n minus 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 7n will write as it is. Now after that 5 raised to the power 10 plus n into 5 2 3s are 6 n minus 2 4s are 8. Rest will write everything as it is. Now we will apply the laws of indices. 5 raised to the power 10 plus n into multiplication means plus 6n minus 8 and division means minus 7n. This is the laws of indices. So now we'll simplify it. 6n plus n, 7n and this 7n will get cancelled. So n plus 6n is 7n. This 7n and this 7n will get cancelled. 10 minus 8 is 2. So 5 square means it's a 25. My next question is x raised to the power a plus b whole square into x b plus c, x raised to the power b plus c whole square into x raised to the power c plus a whole square divided by x raised to the power a into x raised to the power b into x raised to the power c whole raised to the power 4. So we'll simplify it using a laws of indices. X a raised to the power m into n is equals to a raised to the power a m n. So x 2 into a is 2a plus 2b. Similarly x 2 into b is 2b plus 2 into c is 2c into x2c plus 2a whole divided by x a into means plus b into means plus c whole raised to the power 4. According to laws of indices, into means plus, so we'll add 2a plus 2b plus 2b plus 2c. Into means a plus 2c plus 2a whole divided by x raised to the power 4a plus 4b plus 4c is equals to 2a plus 2a is 4a plus 2b plus 2b is 4b plus 2c plus 2c is 4c divided by x raised to the power 4a plus 4b plus 4c. So this 2 will get cancelled. This is equals to 1. My next question is 25 raised to the power 3 by 2 into 243 raised to the power 3 into 3 by 5 divided by 16 raised to the power 5 by 4 into 8 raised to the power 4 by 3. So 25 can be written as 5 square into 3 by 2 into 8 can be written as 25 can be written as 5 square into 3 by 2 into 243 can be written as 3 raised to the power 5 into 3 by 5 whole divided by 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4 5 by 4 into 8 can be written as 2 cube into 4 by 3. Now this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled, this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled, this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So 5 cube into 3 cube into 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 raised to the power 4. So 5 cube means 125 into 3 cube means 27 divided by 2 raised to the power 5 into means plus 4. So 125 into 27 is equals to 3375 divided by 2. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 3375 divided by 2 raised to the power 9 means 512. My next question is evaluate x raised to the power 2 by 3 into y inverse into z raised to the power 1 by 2 when x is equals to 8, y is equals to 4 and z is equals to 25. So instead of x I'll write 8, instead of y I'll write 4, instead of z I'll write 25. This is equals to 8 can be written as 2 cube into 2 by 3, 4 can be written as 2 square, so 2 minus 2 raised to the power minus 2 into 25 can be written as 5 square into 1 by 2. Now this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, so it's a 2 square, 2 raised to the power minus 2 into 5 raised to the power 1. So laws of indices, 2 square, point means plus, plus into minus is minus 2 into 5. So we'll get minus plus 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So 2 raised to the power 0 into 5. 2 raised anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So 5 1 ja 5. So this is your final answer. And this is a very important laws of indices. It says that if a raised to the power n is equals to b raised to the power n, where n is not equal to 0, then a is equals to b. Or in a simple word, if power are same, then base are equal. If power are same, then base are equal. And next is if a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power n, where a is not equal to 1, then m is equals to n. Or in simple word, if base are same, their powers are equal. Number 1, if powers are same, base are equal. If base are same, powers are equal. So now we are going to apply these laws in our. So number 1, evaluate for x. That means we need to find the value of x. If question is like this, square root of 5 by 3 raised to the power x minus 8 is equals to 27 divided by 125 raised to the power 2x minus 3. That means we need to convert 27 divided by 125 in terms of 3 and 5. So 5 by 3 square root means it's a power of half x minus 8, which is equals to 27 can be written as 3 cube and 125 can be written as 5 cube. So instead of 27 by 125, we'll write 3 by 5 cube and its power 2x minus 3. Left hand side we have 5 by 3 and right hand side I have 3 by 5. That means I need the inverse of 3 by 5. So left hand side we'll write as it is, which is equals to, instead of 3 by 5 I will write 5 by 3 and I'll put a minus over here. It indicates the inverse upside down, minus 3 2x minus 3. So now according to the laws of indices, when base are same, powers are equal. So when base are same, 5 by 3, 5 by 3, their powers are equal. So x minus 8 into 1 is x minus 8 divided by 2 is equals to minus 3 to the 6x, minus into minus is plus, 3 3 is 9. Now x minus 8 is equals to, by cross multiplication, 2 6 are 12x plus 2 9 is 18. So let's keep x and x together. X, when minus 12x comes this side, it becomes a plus 12x is equals to plus 18. When minus 8 will goes that side, it becomes a plus 8. 12 plus 1 is 13x is equals to 18 plus 8 is equals to 26. Therefore x is equals to 26 by 13. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26. Therefore x is equals to 2. My next question, number 2, square root of 2 raised to the power 2x plus 4 is equals to 8 raised to the power x minus 6. Here also now I need to change 8 in terms of 2. This is that we can compare the left hand side and right hand side. So 2 square root means it's a power of half, so 2x plus 4 divided by 2 is equals to 8 means 2 cube x minus 6. Now when base are same, their powers are equal. So 2x plus 4 divided by 2 is equals to 3x minus 6. So 2x plus 4 by cross multiplication, it's a 2 3 is a 6, x minus 6. So 2x plus 4 is equals to 6 into x is 6x minus 6 into 6 is 36. Now we will keep x and x together and number together. So 2x, when plus 6x comes this side, it becomes a minus 6x is equals to minus 36. When plus 4 goes this side, it's a minus 4. So 6 minus 2 is minus 4x is equals to minus is a minus. 36 plus 4 is 40. And now this minus gets cancelled with this minus. So x is equals to 40 divided by 4. So 4 will cancel it. 4 1 ja 4, 4 10 ja 14 ja 40. So value x is equals to 10. My next question is 9 into 3 raised to the power x is equals to 27 raised to the power 2x minus 5. So 9 can be written as 3 square into 3 raised to the power x. We'll write as it is equals to 27 can be written as 3 cube 2x minus 5. And now according to laws of indices, 3 square into means plus x is equals to 3 raised to the power 3 2s are 6x minus 3 5s are 15. When base are same, their powers are equal. So 2 plus x is equals to 6x minus 15. So x, when plus 6 has come this side, is a minus 6x is equals to minus 15. When plus 2 will goes this side, is a minus 2, which is equals to minus 5x is equals to minus 17. Minus and minus will get cancelled, so x is equals to 17 divided by 5, that is equals to 3 whole 2 by 5. My next question, 3 into 2 raised to the power x plus 1 minus 2 raised to the power x plus 2 plus 5 is equals to 0. So now 3 into 2 raised to the power x, we'll write 3 into 2 raised to the power x plus 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2 raised to the power x plus means into 2 square plus 5 3 into 2 raised to the power x, this one 2 2s are 4 minus 2 2s are 4 into 2 raised to the power x, 5, this 5 plus 3 is equals to plus 8 is equals to 0. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. Since 4 is greater than 3 and sign of 4 is minus, so we'll write minus 2 raised to the power x is equals to, when plus will goes this side is a minus, so this minus and this minus will get cancelled. So we'll write 2 raised to the power x is equals to 8 can be written as 2 cube. Now when base are same, their powers are equal, that is x is equals to 3. Next, 2 raised to the power x plus 3 plus 2 raised to the power x plus 1 is equals to 320. So we'll apply the laws of indices. 2 raised to the power x plus means into 2 cube plus 2 raised to the power x plus means into 2 raised to the power 1 is equals to 320. 2 cube means 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, point 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power 1 means 2, 2 raised to the power x is equals to 320. So 8 plus 2 is 10 into 2 raised to the power x is equals to 320. That is 2 raised to the power x is equals to 320 divided by 10. So now this 1 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. So 2 raised to the power x is equals to 32. So 2 raised to the power x is equals to 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power 5. Here also when base are same, their powers are equal. So x is equals to 5. My next question, 25 raised to the power x minus 1 is equals to 5 raised to the power 2x minus 1 minus 100. So 25 can be written as 5 square x minus 1 is equals to, rest will write as it is. Now 5 raised to the power 2 into x is 2x minus 2 ones are 2, rest will write as it is. 2 here 5 raised to the power 2x minus means a division, so 5 square is equals to 5 raised to the power 2x minus means a division divided by 5 minus 100. So when 5 raised to the power 2x divided by 5 will goes this side, it becomes a minus. 5 raised to the power 2x divided by 5 is equals to minus 100. Now from here I'll take 5 raised to the power 2x common out. So when it come out, it's a minus 1 by 25 minus 1 by 5 is equals to minus 100. So 5 raised to the power 2x. So here LCM is 25. So I'll write 1 minus 5 5s are 25. That 5 into this one is equals to 5. So we'll get 5 minus 1 is a minus 4, so minus will come here. Minus 5 raised to the power 2x, 4 divided by 25 is equals to minus 100. This minus and this minus will get cancelled. 5 raised to the power 2x is equals to 100. When it goes, it's by cross multiplication, 25 divided by 4. So 4 1s are 4, cancellation. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So 5 raised to the power 2x is equals to 25 into 25. So 5 raised to the power 2x is equals to 25 into 25 is 625. 5 raised to the power 2x is equals to 625 can be written as 5 raised to the power 4. When bases are same, their powers are equal. Therefore 2x is equals to 4. That is x is equals to 4 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That is x is equals to 2.